Huh? What are we doing today?
I have no idea.
Alright, let's get into it.
Unboxing this.
Woo!
Right there, better. Engine pollution. Oh, I took off the edges, so wait, there's one right there. Fuck you guys.
You can't see it, you can't see it, you can't see it. It's good. Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Ooh, another one? Another one? What? Yeah, we put this fan on here to cool it down because, well, he just drove to my house and it's probably hotter than Africa inside the engine bay. But this is how his car looks so far. We added the side skirts earlier. I forgot to show you guys on the last video. Still hasn't dropped this car. So but now with the side skirt, it actually does make it look a little lower. Me and my brother were just talking about that. Ooh.
You know, the black car makes everything harder to
Look at that, instructions. More instructions. Oh, wait. Pieces.
You open this box, it's like empty.
What the heck is that?
Right?
Yo, are you supposed to sit on that or what?
Yeah, we're about to.
Who's gonna do it? You gonna sit on it?
No, I heard that you were.
What about you?
Oh, look at that.
The heck is that?
Bro, all I see is boxes.
Hey, I don't, dude.
All I see is like their cases.
They did not give you the intake. They just give you boxes or what?
It's empty.
That's empty? Wah. Ooh, look at it right there, baby.
Damn, this is a big ass.
It says injen, but the imprint. Alright, let's see. I think that's how it goes. So you just close down the engine or just call it a day?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright. Alright, that concludes our unboxing. We'll see you guys in 3 years.
A few moments later.
Look at this. Look at this. Damn. Nah, dude, that thing. Oh, I don't think you're supposed to take it this one.
Let's take it up from here.
Oh. Duh.
Remember, you gotta take that one off too.
I know.
With the fan? Did you just drop something?
No. This thing hit. Actually, I did. Actually, I did.
Like that.
Next up is this. There's one part done. Look at this. This thing. No homo.
That's deep, boy. Hey, buddy.
Hey, watch out. The wire.
Yes, this is a clip. Oh, you need a freaking thing. It's right here. Get a flathead and then push it out. If you didn't break it. Fucking ignorant. You know what? You go like this.
Ooh, you almost stabbed me, boy.
I know. I was like, oh damn. So like, get your hand out the way. All right, shit.
You better break that clip.
Man, you need lube, dog. Spit on it. Spit on it. Spit on it. All right, here. Told you, spit on it. All hail the queen. Motherfucker.
Just is what I say, fuck it. Oh.
Hey, look at this. Hey, no, it's good.
Bitch.
Damn, so next, take out the whole engine. Oh, fuck. So next, take out the whole engine or what? Yeah, engine swap?
2Js here.
2J, you said?
Dang, 2J right away off the bat. Alright, now I gotta move on.
I got 99 problems and they all bitches. Wish I was Jigga Man. Carefree living, but I'm not Sean.
Yeah, loosened it.
I forgot that these fucking wrenches have it on the side too. I fucking forgot about that. There's some bullshit. This shit's so fucking hot. I'm hitting the fucking metal and fucking burning.
He's hitting the.
Not hitting like the fucking.
He's hitting the headers. There's the headers. He's not hot.
No, it's like this shit right here.
Oh, the pool.
It's all your fault. How'd you choose a difficult ass car to get?
Man, all that just for that.
Just a double shit.
The beat didn't take enough. I was like that.
It was like that. Here's all this.
Woo! All that for that piece.
Around that. Before you put it back.
Alright, so we're finishing up. We gotta take out the bumper so we can install this part.
Hey, black guy, can you put this in?
But this part doesn't really come in because, dude, it's still loose, no? Oh, no, that piece works. Alright, just trying to finish that. I'll help you with that in a bit. Then what are you doing?
I'm taking off some of the stock pieces. And
So you need to reuse some of the stock pieces
from the other intake.
from the other intake to the new one. So that's the old one. That's the new one. Yee! Finished. Now we just have to put those two pieces and the filter, then we're all set. It's probably been an hour or two.
Where's the map?
YouTube is your best friend.
YouTuber or that paper? Watch this will be like.
Hey, what you doing? You got screws first.
I can take it off soon.
Jesus, calm down.
Okay, Joseph, you get it. Relax. Okay.
The guy said be careful because it's plastic. It's gonna break it.
Joseph, you're about to go fucking yeet in.
I want to.
Okay. Hello?
All right, so now we're finally installing it. After how many days? Jeez.
Oh, almost fell.
Want to put the clamp in first?
Go ahead.
Does that look
There's two clamps.
Does that look
So the air intake is already inside. It's this piece actually right here. So you have to bolt it on. Careful because it is plastic, so this guy was trying to be a little NASCAR, going wee 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 wee, the whole thing. Now they're both of them are trying to finish the piece. Check out the clips coming off on top.
Push it in.
Come on, it's supposed to fit like a glove.
I'll show you, bro.
Let's take out this first. Let's take out that first.